Oh my God, you guys, if you aren't drinking coconut water the right way, you're basically living in the Stone Age. I've got the tea, or the water.
Anxious, stressed. Mix coconut water with lotus seeds. It's literally a delete button for your problems. You're welcome.
Sprinkle some chia seeds in there. It's like a tiny army of brooms cleaning out your digestive system. Get that glow from the inside out. Got a cough? Add a splash of honey to your coconut water. It's sweet, it's soothing, and it's cheaper than that medicine you keep forgetting to take. Feeling chilly? Warm up your coconut water with some cinnamon. It's like a big spice hug for your stomach. Pure vibes.
Brew it with red dates. You'll sleep like you've never had a bill to pay in your life. Good night, beauties.